Your players paid above the minimum wage. The minimum wage for Premier League clubs, 1,500.
No, my brother, you know it. So.
Oh no, I'm asking. Are there players that are paid below as we speak? Because the minimum wage is not in force. It will be enrolled from next season. Are there players at Asante Kotoko who are paid less than 1,500?
No, we are far above that.
Your minimum,
even the minimum
salary.
We are far.
What was the minimum salary at Asante Kotoko?
If you have, my memory was same. It's about 3,000.
It's about 5,000.
3,000.
3,000.
Yes.
Minimum.
Yes. For a player, yes.
So even the 17, 16-year-olds that are in the Asante Kotoko first team,
yes,
are getting paid 3,000 or more.
Yes, that's Asante Kotoko for you. So if you talk about our wage bill, people don't understand. It's so huge.
I see. But are you paying regularly?
Hey, my brother.
Because there are some that are not paying. I know some big clubs that are not paying.
Have you ever heard
3 months?
Have you ever had any complaint from even a staff of Asante Kotoko that there's an arrears?
So what's the okay? The minimum is 3,000, and what's the range for the highest?
We have some foreign players. If I'm to convert into CDs, some are taking as much as 15,000, between 15 and 20,000. Oh yes.
Hey.
8,000, 10,000, 7,000, plenty.
Plenty. 7,000, 8,000.
This is Asante Kotoko.
That's plenty.
You can find out from
But how are you? Because we know that a lot of our clubs they struggle to pay salaries. How are you able to do this? Because you say there are no arrests, people don't complain, you are paying fat salary. How are you able to do this?
Well, you know, Manchia took over directly the affairs of Kotoko about 2 or 3 years ago. And so basically, Manchia has been providing the funds.
Okay.
And then supported by the sponsors we have on board.
Okay.